Tache. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, but it's going to be slightly different from my other unboxing videos. Now, if you are subscribed to my channel or if you've seen any of my content before, then you know I'm a Louis lover, I'm a Louis girl. But you guys, I stepped on over to the other side and I got my very first Gucci bag. How exciting is that? Okay, so I got this bag yesterday from Neiman Marcus, the Gucci store inside Neiman Marcus at North Park Mall in Dallas. And let me just say the staff was amazing. So shout out to them if they ever see this video. And if you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I highly recommend going to the Neiman Marcus in North Park Mall and visiting that Gucci location because they were amazing. They were way better than the staff in the actual Gucci store. I mean, it's all Gucci, but you know. So anyway, this is the packaging of the bag. It was given to me in this beautiful floral design, which I've never seen before. I'm new to Gucci, but I'm used to seeing just the black and white or the black and cream bags. But I haven't opened it since yesterday, so let's get to it. So there's a little tie right here. We're going to take that off. And here it is, my first Gucci bag. Okay, so attached to this, there was a card. Oh, here it is. Yeah, like I said, the essays were so amazing. Oh, are my boobs coming out? Sorry. The essays were so amazing. It was like the best customer service experience ever. So one of the girls, she gave me this card. And it's just like, I already opened this card, but I did not open the box yet. It's just a welcome gift to Gucci because they knew that this was my first time. So just a little postcard, and it just says like, thank you. Okay, it says, I hope you enjoy your first of many Gucci pieces to come. Warm regards, Sharon. That was so sweet of her. Thank you, Sharon. And I'm going to keep this. And then there's also the receipt here, I believe. Yep, it's the receipt. So there's that. Okay, guys, so I'm going to open the box now. I don't want to untie this bow, so let's see if I can just slide it off. Okay, while I'm unboxing this, let me just tell you that I went to North Park Mall to get to visit the Louis Vuitton store and get a new Louis bag, but I went into the store and I just wasn't feeling it. There wasn't anything that really was like, oh, get me. All right, so here is the bag, and I got, sorry, I had to look at the name because I'm new to Gucci, so I don't know all the bags. But I got the Gigi Marmont small Matelasse shoulder bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, so forgive me, all my Gucci lovers out there. I may not be pronouncing it right, but again, I'm new, so bear with me. And they wrapped it so perfectly, so beautiful, all the tissue. I'm so excited. Ugh. Okay. Oh, my baby. The dust bag is beautiful. A little different from the Louis dust bags, I have to say that. Okay. Oh my gosh. I got her in red, by the way. As you can see, she's like peeking through here. I'm just going to slide this out like this. If it comes out like that, does it come out like that? Okay, it does not come out like that, so. Alright, so after 5 hours, I finally got all of the packaging off, so let's get into this bag. Whew. Guys, she is so freaking beautiful. Look at that. Gotta get a closer look. She is so beautiful. Like, look at this bag. So this is the front of the bag, and then it just has the GG symbol and a chevron print, and then on the back it has a heart. And then I love the gold hardware because I wear gold all the time. I barely ever wear silver, so this gold hardware is like perfect for me. So it has the gold hardware for the symbol and then the chain here. Okay, so this bag, I chose this one. I was trying to decide between this one and the crossbody one. I forget the name of it. It's GG Marmont shoulder bag, I believe. But I was trying to choose between that and this one. And the other one was cheaper. This one retails for $2,100 in the US. It's $2,100. And I was leaning towards the other one because it's a little cheaper. But I said, okay, this bag is just so much better. I mean, I like them both, but the other one is just only a crossbody. Like, you can only wear it as a shoulder bag like this or like a crossbody. You can't wear it like this. That's what I love about this bag. You can wear it this way, which is like cute and classy if you're like going out somewhere fancy, or you just want to wear it like a more classy look. And then you can also do this with the strap. It just comes down like this, and you can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. So this is like very versatile. I can wear it those 3 ways, which I love. And most likely, when I wear this, I probably will wear it as a crossbody, but most of the time when I wear it, I'm probably going to wear it like this. Like this as a shoulder bag, because I just love this look. I love it. Okay, so here's the front again. Here is the side views. Let me back up. Here is the beautiful back, the bottom. And again, I like this bag because it's a flap bag. So it has this little button down here, and you just press it and it opens. And here's the inside. I still have the tissue inside. Let's take that out. So this is what the inside looks like. So beautiful. And I'm pretty sure I can fit a lot in here. And then it has this zippered pocket right here. Oh, and in here, guys, I didn't even know these were in here. Like I said, this is my first Gucci, so I don't know everything that comes with it. Has these in here. I'll look at those later. But yes, so this is the bag, and I'm just like so in love with this bag. Like, also, if you have any other tips on how to maintain this bag in any way, just let me know. I really appreciate it. If you have this bag or you're thinking about getting it, also comment down below and let me know. I'm actually really interested into hearing what you guys have to say. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. I will have lots of other videos coming up. So, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you later.